Hi everyone, welcome back. This is lesson 30. Let's continue learning Amharic. I hope you remember how to say it seems to me, or I guess, or I feel like. ይመስለኛል. So try to say it seems good to me. ጥሩ ይመስለኛል. ጥሩ ይመስለኛል. Try to say it seems a good hotel to me. ጥሩ ሆቴል ይመስለኛል. ጥሩ ሆቴል ይመስለኛል. Try to say he seems a good boy to me. ጥሩ ልጅ ይመስለኛል. ጥሩ ልጅ ይመስለኛል. It seems a good car to me. ጥሩ መኪና ይመስለኛል. ጥሩ መኪና ይመስለኛል. How would you say you want to a woman? ትፈልጊያለሽ. ትፈልጊያለሽ. So where is yet? Yet. So ask a woman, where would you like to go? Or where you want to go? የት መሄድ ትፈልጊያለሽ? የት መሄድ ትፈልጊያለሽ? So to or towards is ወደ. ወደ. So try to say to Addis Ababa or towards Addis Ababa. ወደ አዲስ አበባ. To you or towards you. ወደ አንተ or ወደ አንቺ. Okay, sometimes we drop this ወደ thing, but there are occasions that we may need them. Okay, so how do you say south? South is ደቡብ. ደቡብ. So try to say to the south or towards the south. ወደ ደቡብ. ወደ ደቡብ. Try to ask to where or towards where. ወደ የት. ወደ የት. But because when we speak fast, we squish it to a single word and it sounds like ወዴት. ወዴት. Okay, so try to ask a man, to where do you wanna go? ወዴት መሄድ ትፈልጋለህ? ወዴት መሄድ ትፈልጋለህ? Try to respond back to the south. ወደ ደቡብ. ወደ ደቡብ. Left is ግራ. ግራ. Okay, so try to say to the left. ወደ ግራ. ወደ ግራ. Try to say South Africa. ደቡብ አፍሪካ. ደቡብ አፍሪካ. To the South Africa or towards South Africa. ወደ ደቡብ አፍሪካ. ወደ ደቡብ አፍሪካ. Come is in sense of giving a command is na to a man. Okay, na. Come. Na. Okay, so try to say to here. ወደዚህ. Here is a z. To or towards ወደ. ወደዚህ. Towards here or over here. ወደዚህ. Try to say come here or come to here. ወደዚህ ና. ወደዚህ ና. Okay, so to a woman it is nay. Come. You are giving her a command. Nay. So try to say come to here to a woman. ወደዚህ ነይ. ወደዚህ ነይ. So to go is መሄድ, the root verb. መሄድ, but in sense of giving a command is ሂድ. ሂድ. To a man. Okay, ሂድ. So try to say to a man, go towards the south. Go to the south. ወደ ደቡብ ሂድ. ወደ ደቡብ ሂድ. To a woman it is ሂጂ. We use e sound at the end. ሂጂ. To a man ሂድ. To a woman ሂጂ. Okay, so try to say to a woman, go to the south. ወደ ደቡብ ሂጂ. Go to the left. ወደ ግራ ሂጂ. So as I told you in previous lessons, be is the trickiest word in Amharic because it translates to a lot of things. By is be, sometimes per is also be, and here we are going to see in is also sometimes translated to be. Okay, so in Amharic or in Amharic language, በአማርኛ በአማርኛ in English በእንግሊዘኛ በእንግሊዘኛ so how would you say what is it? ምንድን ነው ምንድን ነው? Okay, so imagine someone is asking you how to say something in English and he's gonna say lion. What is it in English? He's asking you what lion is in English. How would you say that? lion በእንግሊዘኛ ምንድን ነው? lion በእንግሊዘኛ ምንድን ነው? You can also ask him what is lion in Amharic? lion በአማርኛ ምንድን ነው? lion በአማርኛ ምንድን ነው? Try to respond back. I don't know. አላውቅም አላውቅም. Try to respond back. It seems አንበሳ to me. So አንበሳ means lion, but you are not quite sure, so you are giving him a guess. አንበሳ ይመስለኛል አንበሳ ይመስለኛል. Try to say lion in Amharic seems አንበሳ to me, or I guess it is አንበሳ in Amharic. lion በአማርኛ አንበሳ ይመስለኛል. lion በአማርኛ አንበሳ ይመስለኛል. Try to say Amharic seems easy to me. አማርኛ ቀላል ይመስለኛል. But Chinese is hard or difficult. ቻይንኛ ግን ከባድ ነው. ቻይንኛ ግን ከባድ ነው. Try to say French seems difficult to me. ፈረንሳይኛ ከባድ ይመስለኛል. ፈረንሳይኛ ከባድ ይመስለኛል. To think is ማሰብ. To think thoughtfully about something. So you want is ትፈልጊያለሽ. You can ትችያለሽ to a woman. Now try to say you think. ታስቢያለሽ. ታስቢያለሽ. Try to ask what do you think? You are asking her opinion. ምን ታስቢያለሽ? ምን ታስቢያለሽ? Try to ask the same question to a man. ምን ታስባለክ? ምን ታስባለክ? He's gonna say back, it seems easy to me. ቀላል ይመስለኛል. ቀላል ይመስለኛል. Try to respond, Amharic was difficult. አማርኛ ከባድ ነበር. አማርኛ ከባድ ነበር. But now it is easy. አሁን ግን ቀላል ነው. አሁን ግን ቀላል ነው. How would you say before? በፊት በፊት. Try to say before now. ካሁን በፊት. Before now it was difficult. Now it is easy. ካሁን በፊት ከባድ ነበር. አሁን ግን ቀላል ነው. ካሁን በፊት ከባድ ነበር. አሁን ግን ቀላል ነው. Also you can say before here. ከዚህ በፊት meaning in the past. Okay, so before here it was difficult. ከዚህ በፊት ከባድ ነበር. But now it is easy. አሁን ግን ቀላል ነው. Before it was good. በፊት ጥሩ ነበር. but now it is not. አሁን ግን አይደለም or አሁን ግን ጥሩ አይደለም። how would you say I don't have? የለኝም የለኝም I don't have work. I don't have job. ስራ የለኝም I don't have anything specific to do. Okay, ስራ የለኝም or it could be in general I don't have job at all. Okay, ስራ የለኝም try to say I don't have any work. ምንም ስራ የለኝም ምንም ስራ የለኝም free is ነፃ free so try to say I am free ነፃ ነኝ ነፃ ነኝ try to say after or afterwards I don't have any work I am free or later I don't have any work I am free በኋላ ምንም ስራ የለኝም ነፃ ነኝ በኋላ ምንም ስራ የለኝም ነፃ ነኝ before Maria was president በፊት ማሪያ ፕሬዝዳንት ነበረች በፊት ማሪያ ፕሬዝዳንት ነበረች now Daniel is president or now Daniel is አሁን ዳንኤል ነው አሁን ዳንኤል ነው try to say I eat እንጀራ with ዶሮ ወጥ እንጀራ ከዶሮ ወጥ ጋር እበላለሁ እንጀራ ከዶሮ ወጥ ጋር እበላለሁ what about I think not seems to me but I think አስባለሁ the root is ማሰብ so አስባለሁ okay so try to say I think going to Ethiopia I think about going to Ethiopia ኢትዮጵያ መሄድ አስባለሁ ኢትዮጵያ መሄድ አስባለሁ to start is መጀመር to begin something or to start is መጀመር so try to say I think starting of business or I'm thinking of starting a business business መጀመር አስባለሁ business መጀመር አስባለሁ so starting from today so in this sense as we have seen before ከ and በኋላ ከ and በፊት ከ and ጋር we use them to express with or after or before right so to express some starting point we use ከ and ጀምሮ okay starting from ከ and ጀምሮ try to say starting from today ከዛሬ ጀምሮ ከዛሬ ጀምሮ try to say starting from tomorrow ከነገ ጀምሮ ከነገ ጀምሮ try to say starting from now I do sport or I work sport ካሁን ጀምሮ ስፖርት እሰራለሁ ካሁን ጀምሮ ስፖርት እሰራለሁ try to say starting from September ከመስከረም ጀምሮ ከመስከረም ጀምሮ try to say after September I will start a business ከመስከረም በኋላ ቢዝነስ ጀምራለሁ ከመስከረም በኋላ ቢዝነስ ጀምራለሁ I want to eat እንጀራ with ዶሮ ወጥ እንጀራ ከዶሮ ወጥ ጋር መብላት ፈልጋለሁ እንጀራ ከዶሮ ወጥ ጋር መብላት ፈልጋለሁ starting from tomorrow I want to do sport with you ከነገ ጀምሮ ካንቺ ጋር ስፖርት መስራት ፈልጋለሁ starting from tomorrow with you to do sport I want ከነገ ጀምሮ ከአንቺ ጋር ስፖርት መስራት እፈልጋለሁ። or if you are addressing a man ከነገ ጀምሮ ከአንተ ጋር ስፖርት መስራት እፈልጋለሁ። okay I want to go to Gondar with you ከአንተ ጋር ጎንደር መሄድ እፈልጋለሁ። ከአንተ ጋር ጎንደር መሄድ እፈልጋለሁ። starting from Monday I have a class or education ከሰኞ ጀምሮ ትምህርት አለኝ። ከሰኞ ጀምሮ ትምህርት አለኝ። now try to say starting from tomorrow until Friday ከነገ ጀምሮ እስከ አርብ ከነገ ጀምሮ እስከ አርብ so Tuesday is ማክሰኞ ማክሰኞ so try to say starting from Tuesday until Friday I have a meeting ከማክሰኞ ጀምሮ እስከ አርብ ስብሰባ አለኝ። ከማክሰኞ ጀምሮ እስከ አርብ ስብሰባ አለኝ። say I'm not sure እርግጠኛ አይደለሁም እርግጠኛ አይደለሁም it seems correct to me ትክክል ይመስለኛል ትክክል ይመስለኛል but I'm not sure እርግጠኛ ግን አይደለሁም እርግጠኛ ግን አይደለሁም